Good afternoon to you. It looks as if indeed there could well be some more rain for those parts of Eastern Europe that are flooded, as you could well have seen on the news about 5 minutes ago. And they're not alone. Much of Europe's getting some very wet weather at the moment, and spring has certainly come early to the Alps. A wet spring at that, 59 millimetres in 24 hours in Geneva. Here's all the cloud, and indeed coming out of that cloud was a lot of heavy rain, and it is now swinging into Eastern Europe. We're going to find mild weather, I think, for most parts over the weekend, and in many areas too. There'll be outbreaks of rain probably to go with it. Southern Spain not doing too badly. The Eastern Mediterranean, Turkey and the Black Sea also not doing too badly. In this country it's going to be mild and unsettled over the weekend. Weather fronts coming in from time to time. Areas of low pressure swinging in close to the British Isles. Every time they come along they bring spells of wet and windy weather. There is one thing that might happen though after the weekend, and that is to say, as winds get a little bit lighter and the air gets a little bit cooler, we could well find some frost coming back to at least the central and northern areas for a time. Back to today, for the north and east, a little bit of brightness but a scattering of showers. Already the clouds thickening in the southwest. Much of southern England, Wales and Northern Ireland will have the thicker cloud with outbreaks of rain before the afternoon's out. At the same time in northeastern areas the showers will probably tend to get lighter and more scattered. Shetland staying dull, damp and quite cold and windy too, but mild in other parts, 11 or 12 degrees or so. This evening and tonight we're going to have a couple of weather fronts moving across us. It means to say that most parts of the country are going to have a good deal of cloud. There'll be outbreaks of rain moving further up into Scotland, not getting to the far north admittedly. The heaviest outbreaks of rain though probably near to those western areas. A mild night, temperatures 6, 7, 8 degrees or so. Unsettled conditions continue into the weekend. We start off with some cloud and outbreaks of rain in many places tomorrow morning, bright in the north, bright in the far south, and much of England and Wales will brighten up during the course of the day, as will Northern Ireland. But as the brighter weather comes along, so there will be a scattering of showers. More in the way of cloud, more in the way of outbreaks of rain persisting through Scotland. But as you can see, another mild day, 13 or 14 degrees. Little area of low pressure zips across the south on Saturday night into the first part of Sunday, bringing some quite heavy rain across the country. That will eventually clear away, and then we're going to have a breezy day, but a very windy one in the north, and there'll be a scattering of blustery showers. That's all for now.